Okay, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press. We're here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. We've just covered the arraignment of Mr. Eddy Alexandre. He's a Haitian-American, the head of Amini FX. He's been indicted for a Ponzi scheme. The prosecutors just finished saying that although he promised these massive returns and people found them on the computer, it was all a lie. The money was just taken from new investors. But in the arraignment today, number one, he showed up with former prosecutor Emil Bove as his attorney. Judge Cronin had to disclose that he was previously Mr. Bove's supervisor. There's 2 weeks to object. I doubt that the prosecution is going to object. They want to be, I'm going to try to be very factual here. Number two, many supporters in the courtroom. I was in the back, a bench in the back, but they had supporters even in the jury box, most clad in a white t-shirt that says, we support our CEO, and underneath another phrase that says, we look good, we feel good, and we smell good. Amini FX. Now there's a CFTC case that apparently there's a consent preliminary injunction filed pending before Judge Caproni. Mr. Bove, who was a senior prosecutor for some time, said he had to surrender his phone to come in, so he doesn't know if Judge Caproni has yet signed it. Apparently she will. Now it all depends. You can't assume just because the government says it that it's true, but nor can you assume just because you can turn out a courtroom that you didn't do it. So that's where I stand. I'm going to cover the case as closely as I can. The next conference is August 3rd, 2 p.m. There's a post-arrest statement. There's video. This is Crypto in the Courts, and this is Inner City Press on the case, innercitypress.com.